Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I'm back with another non-phone daily work from home job lead for you. Best thing about this one is it requires very little experience, only requires 6 months of experience. We're going to dive all in. Of course, the link if you want to apply is in the YouTube description box below this video. And I always just ask that let me know if you enjoy job leads like this by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and sharing is always caring. So please share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's company is Broadpath Healthcare Solutions. They have 894 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote data entry representative. It does say this is remote for the United States only. They don't list any state restrictions, but they're basically looking for somebody just to do data entry into their systems, reviewing diverse reports, and following the transcription of data just into their database. So you're going to be taking data and you're going to organize and categorize these documents in preparation for data entry. After you organize them, you're going to input the data into the database software, checking and verifying the accuracy of the entered data, addressing any errors or inconsistencies in the data, getting any additional information that's needed to complete the documents with missing details, and then you're going to make sure that this data is backed up with a contingency plan. So that's it. Straight data entry, no phones required. Now, as far as what they're looking for, no college degree is required either, just a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has 6 months of data entry experience. So very little experience needed there. Of course, you have to have great communication skills, be able to multitask and navigate multiple computer systems at the same time. So you've got to know how to use certain systems like Microsoft Office. You've got to be a strong typer. But that is it. Now, of course, they did not list actual pay in the job description. That's going to need to be discussed at the interview. But other people have worked as a data entry specialist with Broadpath in the past. They've noted their salaries anywhere from $29,000 a year all the way up to $41,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.